Hey folks, I'm Pete and this is Pete's Eats Cooking Videos. Today we're making fried rice. You know what I love about fried rice? Two things. You use the old rice that's been in the fridge for a day or two and you make something absolutely delicious from it. Secondly, you can take it anywhere you want. You can make chicken fried rice, pork fried rice, spicy, veggie, whatever you want. But I'm going to show you how to make the basics and we're going to do it right now. So let's begin. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need day-old rice. So either make it a day ahead of time, or if you have some left over, even better. I like basmati rice. That's what I like to use. You're going to need an onion, some oil to fry the onion, light soy sauce. I like to put a little bit of dark soy sauce to give it some more color. Some peas, frozen peas are perfect, and some sesame seed oil. The sesame seed oil is going to give it a really lovely fragrance and taste. And there you go. So I'm going to try to make it right now. Okay, so I'm going to fry up these onions in some oil. I use sunflower oil. I like sunflower oil. And just till they get a bit transparent, and then I'll put the rice in. I definitely don't want to brown them. I would use about 1 medium onion for 3 cups of rice, roughly. So I'll show you the difference between light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. The light soy sauce, you see when I tilt it back, it covers and you can just see it clearly through the glass, no problem. With the dark soy sauce, when I tilt it back, it's still very difficult. It turns really dark along the glass. That's an easy way to tell the difference. You can also just read the label. You know how much I love my salt, guys, but there's no need to salt these onions because the soy sauce got tons of salt in it. Okay, so the onions are getting there. They're getting to be transparent. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rice in. And I'm just going to put it in with my hand. So it's good, about 3 cups of rice. And you definitely want to use rice that's fully cooked and cooled. And you notice also, I wasn't shy with the oil because, you know, there's quite a bit of oil in fried rice. And the liquid will help as well. So I'm going to put in the soy sauce. So I just eyeballed, this is light soy sauce. You put some light soy sauce, probably I'm guessing about a 1/4 cup would be enough of light soy sauce. And I'm going to just break this up now and fry it up, so a couple minutes. So you'll notice now I've fried it up for a couple of minutes, and even though I put quite a bit of the light soy sauce, the Kikkoman light soy sauce in there, it's still quite light, so I do like to give it a bit of color. So I'm going to drop just a few drops of the dark soy sauce, and that's going to really darken it up. So now I'm going to put the peas in. It's up to your whatever you enjoy. You put about a good handful of peas in there. And also I'm going to add just a little bit of sesame seed oil. Just a touch to give it a bit of flavor. And I'm also going to add a green onion just to give it a little bit more color. Now at this stage you could also crack an egg in here. A lot of people like to do that. It makes it a little bit more substantial, a little bit more protein in it. And that's pretty well about it. Just a minute on here to warm up and it's going to be absolutely fabulous. So there you go. We've added a little bit more of the dark soy. Remember, taste and adjust till it's exactly like you like it. And there you go, there's a fabulous dish, fried rice. You can make it a full meal by throwing a little bit of meat in there, or as a side with another meal. It's absolutely delicious. Enjoy.